How to text people or send messages on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can text or send messages on people on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to follow some steps. But before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So let's get started. Open your TikTok account and make sure you're logged in. After logging in, you need to go to your messages and look for the people that you want to send message to. But before that, I want you to go to this menu bar of your account and here tap on settings and privacy. After that, you can see this privacy option. On the second, just tap on that option and here go scroll down until you see direct messages. Just tap on that messages and you can see this allow direct messages from option. Just tap on it and here you may just select accordingly, like if you want your friends only to send you messages, just tap on friends, like the followers you follow back and the followers that have followed you back. You two will be only able to interact with each other, not other people. If other people are not friends with you, they won't be able to interact with you. So if you want everyone to send messages, tap on everyone and you can send direct messages to each other without even following each other. So you can also tap on suggested friend and tap on no one as well. So here I have chose friends. So what I'm gonna do is just get back and send a message to the friend that I have. I'm just gonna tap on that person and here tap on messages. After going to message, just send a text whatever you want and that person should be able to receive the text. So in this way you can text people or send messages on TikTok. So keep these things in mind and you should be able to send messages to your friends or other people on TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.